Cheeseburger Casserole Recipe. Origin, history, and story of the dish. Origin. The cheeseburger casserole is an American comfort food classic that brings together the flavors of a cheeseburger in a convenient baked dish. Its roots lie in the mid-20th century, when casseroles became popular in American households. Casseroles gained traction as an economical way to feed families using simple ingredients like ground beef, pasta, and cheese, often combined with canned soups or sauces for convenience. Brief history. Casseroles became widely embraced in the 1950s and 1960s as a result of innovations in food production, such as pre-packaged ingredients and frozen meals. During this time, the cheeseburger was already an iconic American food, and home cooks began experimenting with ways to recreate its flavors in new forms. By combining ground beef, melted cheese, and noodles or potatoes in a casserole, they created a dish that was easy to prepare, kid-friendly, and perfect for potlucks or family dinners. Story of the dish. Cheeseburger casserole represents the evolution of American cuisine, showcasing the adaptability of classic flavors. It captures the essence of the beloved cheeseburger, juicy beef, savory cheese, and comforting carbs, but in a baked one-pan format that suits busy lifestyles. Over the years it has become a nostalgic favorite, evoking memories of family meals and gatherings. Today, it is a versatile dish, with countless variations that include vegetables, different cheeses, or even bacon for added flavor. The cheeseburger casserole is more than just a recipe. It's a reminder of the ingenuity of home cooks who turned simple ingredients into something hearty, flavorful, and endlessly customizable. Whether served on a weeknight or at a potluck, it remains a cherished symbol of American comfort food. Ever wondered how to make the perfect casserole every single time? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a delicious cheeseburger casserole that's sure to impress. Let's start with a quick overview of our dish. This cheeseburger casserole combines all the flavors of a classic cheeseburger into a comforting baked dish. It's perfect for family dinners or gatherings. First, let's go over our ingredients and tools. For the casserole, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 small onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 can of diced tomatoes, half a cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 cups of beef broth, and 1 cup of milk. For the topping, we'll use 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. The tools you'll need are a large skillet, a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish, a large pot, measuring cups and spoons, and a wooden spoon. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook the pasta until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet over medium heat, cook the ground beef until browned. Add the chopped onion and garlic and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in the diced tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, paprika, salt, and pepper. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the beef broth and milk, stirring well. Fold in the cooked pasta, ensuring it's fully coated in the beef mixture. Transfer the mixture to a greased 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. Sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese evenly over the top. For a crispy topping, sprinkle breadcrumbs over the cheese. Place the casserole in the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. For a golden crust, broil for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Let the casserole cool for 5 minutes before serving. Garnish with chopped parsley or green onions if desired. This casserole is rich, comforting, and has a perfect umami kick. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new recipe. Give this video a thumbs up and share your creations with me on Instagram at your handle. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes. The recipe and procedure are in the description section. Have a great day ahead!